Civivi Wyvern. This is a super lightweight knife. You can see these cool kind of scallop scales. Nice, beautiful titanium pocket clip. Both has a flipper and has a thumb hole, so you can open it nice with one-handed, or you can always do the flip. Boom. Action on this thing is absolutely beautiful. One hand closed, one hand open, basically every time, and will just fall in there if you want to make it do that. All the details are on the website for this specific knife. These are now live on the website, excuse me. You can see, again, I have big hands, and that knife fits absolutely lovely, but is still super thin, super elegant, and that's a great hole for opening and closing. I'm not as good as this part, but let's see if we can get it. There we go. There we go. Nice little Spidey flick. You can flick it with a middle finger as well. You'll see a little thong hole in the back, and not that the camera will be able to see it, but when you come in, you can really see how much of the liner was skeletalized to reduce the weight on this thing. This thing's amazing. The Wyvern, we have it in green and black. Check the website for current pricing.